Hi, fellow students. In this video, I'm going to try and solve quiz number 3 about surface area. So let's start. Identify the net that corresponds to the figure below. Okay, so we see a triangular prism. Okay, so it has a base, a triangle base, and plus 3 sides. Okay, so A is the right. Okay, this is a pyramid. Okay, because it has a square base plus 4 triangles as faces. And this prism has a triangle as its base. So A is the correct answer. Okay, Dimitri's mom is making him a tent to use for backyard campouts with his friends. Okay, she created this net to represent the material she needed. Okay, so this is the net that corresponds to the tent. How much material will Dimitri's mom need for the tent, including the floor? Okay, so the base of the tent, the floor of the tent is 2 times 3. So the floor is 2 times 3, which is 6. So this is the floor, and the left face has an area of 3 times 2. Okay. This face has an area of 3 times 2. So left face is also 2 times 3, which is 6. And the right face is also 3 times 2. Also 6. And each triangle has an area of 2. And the height is 1.7. So the height is 1.7. So the triangle at the front has an area of 1/2 times 2 times 1.7. 1/2 times 2 is 1. 1 times 1.7 is 1.7. And we also have another triangle at the back. So this is the front triangle and the back triangle. Has also an area of 1.7. So together we have 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 1.7 plus 1.7. I need to add them all up. So this is 14. Don't forget the decimal point. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. 19 plus 1 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. So the entire surface is 21.4. So 18 plus 3.4 is 21. I have a problem with this dimension here. I don't understand 2 meters. It should be the dimension of this edge here, so I would expected it to be a little to the right. Okay. 21.4. Okay. Marie made the model shown below of the square pyramid she plans to build when she grows up. Find the surface area of the model. Okay, so the base of the square pyramid is square with the surface of 12 times 12, and so the base is 12 times 12, which is 144. Okay, and we have 4 triangles as the faces of the square pyramid. And each triangle has an area of 12. The height is 8. So each triangular face has an area of 1/2 times the base of the triangle, which is 12, times the height, which is 8. 1/2 times 12 is 6. 6 times 8 is 48. And we have 4 of these triangles. So 4 times 48. 4 times 40 is 160. Plus 4 times 8 is 32. So together is 192. So the base plus the 4 triangles is 144 plus 192. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 9 is 13. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So the entire surface is 336 meters squared. Let's see, to make sure that I did not do a mistake. 12 times 12 is 144. The triangle is 12 times 8, 1/2 of 12. 6 times 8 is 48. We have 4 of these triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 48, 160 plus 42. Okay. Okay. Okay, the following figure shows a square-based pyramid. Which expression represents the surface area of the pyramid? Okay, so the base of the pyramid is squared. So it has an area of 4 times 4. Plus we have 4 triangles. Each triangle has an area of 4 with a height of 3. So the base is 4 times 4, which is 16. Each triangular face has an area 1/2 times the base of the triangle, which is 4, times the height, which is 3. So 1/2 times 4 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, and we have 4 of these triangular faces, so 4 times 6 is 24. So let's see which expression corresponds to the calculation we just did. So 16, this is the base, and we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 triangular faces, so C is correct. A is not correct because the base is indeed 16, but each triangle is not 4 times 3 because we don't multiply the base of the triangle times the height. We need half of this, so this is not correct. Four times 6 is only the triangles without the base, so this is not correct. And 3 times 4 . Shanti is taking a cube-shaped gift to a friend's birthday party. She wants to wrap it, but she doesn't have very much paper, so she does not overlap any of the edges. She created this net to represent the paper she needed. Okay, how much paper did it take to cover the gift? Okay, so each face has an area of 13 times 13. 13 times 10 is 130. 3 times 13 is 39. So 13 times 13 is 169. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these faces. So 6 times 169 equals 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 6 is 36. Plus 5 is 41. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 4 is 7. So in total, we have an area of 1014. Let's make sure that I did not do any mistake. 13 times 13. 13 times 10 is 130. 3 times 13 is 39. So each face is 169, and we have 6 of them. Okay. 6 times 100 is 600. 6 times 60 is 360. 6 times 9 is 7 plus 4 is 14. Okay. So 1014 centimeters square. Good. Okay. So in the next video, I will move on to this section, polygons on the coordinate plane, and I will do this practice, drawing polygons with coordinates. So I will see you in the next video.